Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel rank formula. The Excel rank function is a powerful tool for ordering your data. It helps you quickly determine the position of a specific value within a list of numbers. You simply provide the number you want to rank, the range of numbers to compare it against, and optionally specify the order. This function is incredibly useful for analyzing performance, sales figures, or any numerical data where relative position matters. Let's compare rank. EK and rank. AVG, two key variations of the rank function. Rank. EQ gives identical values the same rank, and the next unique value gets the next sequential rank. For example, if two values tie for second, they both get rank 2 and the next value is ranked 4. Rank. AVG, however, assigns the average of the tied ranks. So, if two values tie for second and third, they both receive a rank of 2.5. Choose wisely based on how you want to handle ties in your analysis. Understanding the order argument is crucial for accurate ranking. A 0 or omitting the argument ranks values in descending order, meaning the largest number receives rank 1. Conversely, a 1 ranks values in ascending order, giving the smallest number rank 1. If you need to break ties to achieve truly unique ranks, consider adding a small, unique identifier, like a row number divided by a very large number, to each value before applying the rank function. This ensures every item gets its own distinct position. The Excel rank formula has many practical applications. Imagine ranking student scores, employee performance, or product sales to easily identify the top 10 or bottom 5. For more complex scenarios, you can combine the rank function with other formulas or use helper columns to establish specific criteria before ranking. Remember to make your ranges dynamic using tables or named ranges. This ensures your rankings automatically update as you add or remove data, saving you valuable time and effort in your ongoing analysis.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.